Cue the sparkles! Cue the music! Princess Presto to the rescue! With my magic spelling wand, I can spell the word snack. Santa loves snacks. If we spell the word snack, we might get Santa to come to this house. Wands up, spell with me. What letter makes the sound S?
S!
Write a lowercase s with me, like a little snake. What letter makes the sound?
N!
N. Write a lowercase n with me, like this. Now, what makes the sound ah?
A!
A. Write a lowercase a with me, like this. And C and K make the sound k in snack. Let's write a lowercase c first. And now a lowercase k. Write a K like this. S, N, A, C, K, snack! Presto!
Ho, ho, ho!
It's Santa! He's here! Spectacular spelling! We made a snack for Santa, and he came!
Ho, ho, ho!
Let's take a bow.